Ever wonder why exercise feels like a chore or why you struggle to stick with it? What if the conventional wisdom isn't telling the whole story? Today, we're diving into 5 surprising secrets about physical activity that can truly change your perspective. We all know movement is good for us, but turning that knowledge into consistent action is where many of us get stuck. This isn't about perfect workouts. It's about understanding your body and mind better. Let's explore these insights together. The biggest challenge isn't usually a lack of desire. It's often the pressure to perform. We see intense gym routines and think that's the only way. This leads to burnout, injury, or simply giving up. Many believe exercise must be grueling to be effective. Secret number 1, intensity isn't always the answer. High-impact workouts aren't for everyone. Another hurdle is time. We feel we need hours, leading us to postpone. Secret number 2, short bursts truly count. Even 10 minutes here and there adds up. Then there's the all or nothing trap. One missed day feels like failure, so we stop altogether. This rigid mindset is damaging. We often overlook the mental aspect too. We focus solely on physical gains, ignoring the joy. This makes it feel like a punishment, not a gift. Let's rethink our approach. Instead of feeling guilty about a missed workout, consider secret number 3. Consistency beats intensity every time. A gentle walk daily is far more beneficial than sporadic, exhausting sessions. Think about building a habit, not just achieving a temporary goal. We also tend to compartmentalize exercise. It's a separate thing we do. But what if it was woven into your day? Secret number 4, movement is lifestyle, not just an activity. Park a bit further, take the stairs, stretch during breaks. These small shifts make a profound difference. They lower the barrier to entry. They make movement feel less like a chore. It becomes a natural part of living. It's about finding opportunities, not just scheduling obligations. This redefines what exercise means for you. The most transformative secret of all, and perhaps the one doctors emphasize least, is this. Secret number 5, find your joy in movement. If it feels like a punishment, you won't sustain it. Forget what you should do. What makes you feel alive? Is it dancing, gardening, hiking, swimming, playing with your kids, or simply walking in nature? When you connect movement with pleasure, it stops being a task. It becomes something you look forward to. This shift in perspective is incredibly powerful. It changes exercise from a drain to a source of energy. It taps into an intrinsic motivation that no amount of willpower can match. This personal connection is your ultimate key to lasting physical activity. Listen to your body. Move in ways that nourish your spirit. That's where true, sustainable well-being begins. So, remember these 5 secrets. Intensity isn't everything. Short bursts count. Consistency is key. Movement is a lifestyle. And most importantly, find your joy. These aren't just tips. They're a blueprint for a healthier, happier you. I hope this helps you redefine your relationship with physical activity. Start small, stay consistent, and find what brings you joy. If this resonated, please like this video, subscribe for more insights, and share your own joyful movement ideas below. Let's move well together.